What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to today's Roblox video. Oh my god, today we are back playing a Flash Escape 2 map test with Dean, Jimmy, Bean, and yeah. I am right. Say hi to YouTube, to IT. Say hi. Okay, now, okay. On a hard, I know a shortcut. Oh. Wait, he does? Oh, yes. I know a shortcut. It looks possible. Oh my god, it's in my throat. Rep, he was too late. Rotate room is a good. God, someone's in my throat. We're doing we're doing it. It's lag. We're doing the Dean's new map. Oh yeah, you guys can see Dean's new map. Yeah, here it is. So it's testing easy, but Dean plays games YT. And it's all jailbreak. It's really cool. I'll show you. So the music, if you want to play it for yourself, I don't know the code, but the music is the museum. You're supposed to click this button and it gives you some money for this, but that's not implemented. It robs. That door should open. There's lots more added. There's lots more going to be added, but this is just the basics. Dun dun da 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 da. Guys, this is when you want to jump. Dun 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 dun. There we go. Okay. I just jumped off. Now my screen's broken. Okay. Oh, never mind. I thought I would need to rejoin. I jumped off. Fortnite is taking over my friend. Oh, and me too. So. Yeah, I play Fortnite a lot. Just saying. It doesn't work. Fortnite Gear 16. Hashtag. Fortnite is dying seconds. Nice. Fortnite is the best. Deans, we ain't wrong though. Then why are you not playing it? It's dying. Nice job, everyone. This is the best movie ever. Dean plays games YT. Dean, say hi to Dean. I am wreck. I shall. Dean, I'm not going to shout out, even though I shout him out every time. Okay, go sub to Roblox Shorts and Amazing Seth channel, and my channel, Leo's a Shy Guy. Thank you. I did not mean to do that. Rotate potato. I don't have a potato, sorry, Cody Gamer. Rooms and Scene by Quarter Rust. Rust is 0. Who? Rust 010. Rust 010. Rust 010. Rust 010. Blah. Okay, that's gonna be my intro. Okay. Anyways, here's Jimmy. Jimmy says he likes Fortnite. Ew. Fortnite more than Roblox. Ew. Play Island Royale. It's better. It's Fortnite. It's the same thing. Oh, yes, Dean. Fortnite is repetitive. DS, Dean. Fortnite is repetitive. That is really true. Inf air, okay? No, I don't want to inf air. It's cheating. It's pretty much a hack. Is being only... Yes. Reset. Goodbye, everyone. And we wanted to win fairly. Ouch. Reset, Leo. Die, reset. Leo, reset. I bit my gum. Sad face. Go comment not alive. The wonders of my friend's Roblox chat. Fortnite is the type of sickness. Fortnite is a type of sickness. What? Dean died. No. Go obesity. I call this guy obesity. I call this guy not obesity. Obesity. I call this guy obesity. He's an obby in the city. On Roblox.com. Roblox.com. A good place for Fortnite haters. Roblox.com. A good place for Fortnite haters. Come on, guys, we can do this. Go Power Rangers. We're the noobs. No one can stop us. We're the noobs. No one can stop the noobs. I did it! Yeah! Let's go back down. Yay! Wait, what? Mine in the way. Oh, no, I'm not doing that. Roblox.com. A good game that you can play with your kids. I'm gonna die. Okay, here we go. I got red. No, I'm gonna die there. I got red. No, I don't. I'm gonna die there. Just Bean. Bean the Teddy. See, I told you. I told you. I told you. I did. Dean, what happened? Migo Green. Can we do rotate? Ask them if we can do rotate room. It's really fun, actually. Oh my gosh! Okay. That's gonna be all for today's Roblox video. See you guys next time. Bye. Be sure to subscribe to Leo the Shy Guy, which is my channel, Amazing Seth channel, and Roblox Shorts. See you guys next time. Bye.